Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Simple's bill pay and transfer features in 2025. It's gonna be a quick video. I'm not gonna waste too much time on this topic, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Simple account. So go ahead on Simple's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you're going to click on the bill pay button that's in the top navigation bar. Next, you're going to add a payee, such as a utility company or credit card company or whatever. Go ahead and add a payee, and then you're going to schedule a payment, including the payment amount and date. Go ahead and enter all of that. And once that's done, you're going to confirm the payment and just wait for payment to be processed, and you can adjust your budget to reflect that. That's pretty much it on how to use Simple's bill pay and transfer features in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.